Hey guys, it's Bill Competition Cars, and now we're going to go over the undercarriage on the 1973 Volkswagen Beetle with 42,000 miles with a really nice restoration. I would love for someone to tell me what color this is. I looked up the color chart. I know it's the original color because I pulled carpet back and all that, and I'm not quite sure what this color is, so if there's any experts out there, give me some help. I would love that. Although this is the video that covers the undercarriage. Very tidy under here. I've got the gentleman's name. I'll get that to you in another video that did the restoration. Did a nice job. It was driven a little bit after it was restored, but you can see there is no rust. I mean, the floor pans are beautiful. Just everything is just as you'd expect on a car that was nicely restored. We're gonna look for oil leaks. Can't guarantee old cars won't leak oil, but if I see anything catastrophic or significant, I'm gonna let you know. I don't see anything crazy going on down here. It looks fairly dry from what I can see. CV boots look good. Bottom of the engine, everything looks good. Transmission. I don't see any issues here at all. Okay, so there's that. Good looking exhaust. So again, back to the color. If anybody knows what that color is, I'm not finding it. It's got a dark brown top, cloth top, which is amazing. It's got the kind of baseball glove interior. Just a great color combination, a whole lot to love here. Highly restored and ready to go. You'll see this on YouTube first. It's already submitted to Bring a Trailer, so it'll be live on Bring a Trailer soon. We'll have hundreds of pictures, the cow tag that will be able to tell us what's what as far as the breakdown of the car. There you have it, guys. Have a great day.